Hello guys, my name is Amritpal Singh and this is the presentation for my mega project plan. So let's move on to the introduction. So as it's mentioned, the 2025 Spring Job Fair is an exciting event planned by the local board of trade to connect employees with the job seekers. So it aims to help people find new career opportunities and grow professionally. Over 100 exhibitors are expected and up to 7,000 attenders are anticipating to take part in the fair. The event will be held in spring 2025 and will include workshops, networking opportunities, and a keynote speaker. This event will bring value to both employers looking to hire and job seekers eager to find new opportunities. And the project plan outlined major activities like venue selections and exhibitor management, marketing, and catering to ensure everything runs smoothly. So we have also identified risk and development contingency. So plan to address them so the event will be successful. So let's move on to the statement of work. The statement of work outline what need to be done to organize the 2025 Spring Job Fair. The project is sponsored by the local board of trade with my name with Singh, VP of marketing and event planning. So with my planning to manage the event. So the objection is to connect employees with the job seeker, help individual grow in their careers and promote professional opportunities. The scope includes securing a venue, managing exhibition, coordinating catering, organizing workshop, and launching marketing campaign. This will be over 100 exhibitor, and the fair will run in a single day. The schedule includes setting up booths, planning workshops on resume writing, and engaging attendance with tour price. The goal is to make the event successful and offer real value to all participants. Let's move on to the breakdown. Yeah, work breakdown structure. So the work breakdown structure helps break down the event into smaller manageable tasks. So it starts with event planning, which include closing the venue and organizing parking. So we parking once the venue is confirmed. So once the venue is confirmed, exhibitor management began, which includes registration, exhibition, and setting up their booths in parallel. We plan attendee engagements such as invite a keynote speaker and organize workshops. The marketing team will work on promotional companies and catering will ensure food is ready for exhibitors. Finally, we will use event technology to set up registrations and AV system. After the event, post event task will include collecting feedback and preparing a financial summary. The structure ensures every task is handled efficiently, making the event a successful. Let's move on to the workflow diagram. So the workflow diagram show the order and connections between the event planning activities. So it helps us visualize how tasks depend on each other. For example, venue selection must happen first because everything else depend on the location once the venue is secured. So we move on to the exhibition registrations, which triggers both the setup and workshops planning. These tasks can happen at the same time. Marketing campaign starts after the keynote speaker is confirmed, while AV and logistics setup runs in parallel with the workshops. I can say with the workshop, catering will be finals after the booth setup. After the event, we will collect post event feedback. As I mentioned, the diagram help us see which task need to be prioritized and which one can happen, and ensuring we stay on the track. So it's gonna ensure us we're gonna be on the track. So this one is the activity table. So the table shows the project activity, duration, dependency, and key dates to track project process. It includes early start and early finish and late start, late finish, slack, and identifies the critical path. The critical path for project consists of uh, of exhibitors of exhibitor of exhibitor uh, workshop planning and EV and logistic, which are crucial for on-time project completion. The total project duration is 18 days, uh, with a defined workflow for each task dependency to ensure smooth execution. So let's move on to the next slide, that is Gantt chart. So this chart gives us a clear timeline for the entire project. It breaks down each task and show when it will start and end. For example, venue selection begin on day one and last for 5 days, which exhibitor registration start on day 6 and last for 3 days. Some tasks like booth setup and workshops planning will happen at the same time from day 9 to day 12. Keynote speaker planning start earlier on day 6 to ensure a speaker and marketing campaign begin on day 12. After that, the EV and logistics setup will be one of the final tasks from th- day 13 to day 18, ensuring everything is ready for the event. The Gantt chart help us track progress and make sure everything gonna be happen on time. Yeah. Uh, this is the risk analysis and contingency. So this plan identify potential risks that could affect the event and outline how we gonna respond to them. So for example, if the venue become unavailable, we have arranged a, I guess, backup venue. Yeah, we have arranged a backup venue. If the keynote speaker cancel, we have a list of backup speaker to call. If exhibition participation is low, we will follow up the additional outreach and offer discounts. For technical issue with EV speaker, we will do a test before the event, have technician on call. So if attendance is low, we will boost marketing efforts and offer incentive like door price. By identifying risk and preparing response, we are making sure the event will go smoothly to the event gonna be go smoothly no matter whatever gonna happen. So recommendations of and conclusion. So based on the planning, I recommend a few action to ensure the event success. First, early stakeholder engagement with exhibitors and speakers will reduce the risk of cancellation. Secondly, a strong marketing strategy will help overcome low turnout by reaching more people online and through partnership. Third, testing technology in advance will prevent issue with EV system. Lastly, confirming diverse catering option will avoid delay or shortage. In conclusion, the 2025 Spring Job Fair will be a valuable event for career development, and with the right planning and contingency measure in place, we are set to make it a successful event. So this fair will provide a platform for networking, learning, and professional growth for all the people who are participating in that event. Thank you.